Studios. Today we're gonna do the biggest scare challenge to find out who can make the most terrifying scare for the Halloween party.
The hackers are gonna delete one of my videos, so we're going to their Halloween party and we are gonna scare the bejujus out of them. Jujus. The bejujus.
I don't like getting spooked, guys.
Enough of that. What costumes are we gonna wear?
Ooh, let me see. All right, oh, no. Which one of you weirdos pulled this prank? Daniel?
I would never dress up my boy like a spider. This was your doing.
No, ew! I hate spiders. I'm not about that creepy stuff.
Wasn't you, V? Wasn't you?
We can't let Melvin's antics get the best of us.
I didn't do it.
Let's get into costume.
Chad are the best scare team. Look at us, we're from Monsters, Inc.
What the heck are you?
I wanted to be Spider-Man. I got the wrong thing.
Just more like man spider.
I'm a shark.
Maybe shark.
Shark, 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 shark.
You don't know?
Baby shark, shark, shark.
You don't
That's
know.
not how it goes.
I just found this in your closet.
Lizzy, you can do the best scare prank.
Ooh, I got the best scare ever. It's gonna scare the hackers, and they're gonna quit. And they're not gonna delete Chad's video. It involves my little handy dandy Daniel drone right now.
Did you guys hear that?
I'm gonna go set up my prank in my secret room.
What prank?
Melvin, just leave me alone. Don't go in my room.
Come on!
No, you're not coming in my room. Let's go this way.
Fine, be that way.
Just stay away from my room, Melvin.
Why?
You don't need to know.
You're gonna set up more pranks? You're trying to scare me or target me?
Whoa! What the heck is that, Melvin?
Go! Hello?
Remember how that spooky stuff happened with Joseph Banks a couple days ago?
Yeah, an H?
An H?
Where is he?
It's not him!
I must be just hearing things. Okay, anyway. This handy dandy Daniel drone, it's gonna be pretty stupendous. All I have to do is I gotta What the heck is going on?
Chad, I think the air conditioner needs to be fixed. It's making a weird noise.
Is that Joseph?
It's his white hair. He's got some skinny legs.
It's a figure.
Knock it over. Give it a punch or something. Make sure it's not really Joseph Banks. Get this stuff off him.
3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna take this drone. I'm gonna get like some tablecloth or something. And when I hook it up to the drone, I'm gonna fly it up in the sky.
Okay, what is happening? I definitely felt something that time. Oh, what the heck is wrong with y'all?
Pranked you, Spider-Man.
Man spider, okay? That was you guys the whole time making little dingle-dangle noises?
Yeah, we're the best scares. We're gonna scare the hackers into quitting Project Zorgo and save my video from being deleted.
Yeah.
It's Bob!
Bob Wild Clay.
There's something on his neck.
What?
The S1?
If you can come up with a better prank than me,
And me.
I'm gonna give you a free Xbox Series X.
the new Xbox?
Yeah, see this? I went and got myself a drink. There's a code right here for a free Xbox Series X. I'm a winner.
So not only do we get to scare the hackers, but we get a prize?
If you come up with the best scare prank, woo!
I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna start my gaming video.
All right, whatever. You guys are gonna get really scared by this then.
You know what this is, Melvin. It's a freaking clue.
First off, we're doing a prank challenge, okay? Second of all,
Guys! Oh, you gotta come into the backyard. Hurry, hurry, come follow me. Everybody, outside, outside. Ah! Look over there. Ah!
It's a Dementor!
What is that thing? Oh my goodness.
You get back here, you chicken! Hi, scared them away, everybody.
That was scary, huh?
Wait, what are you holding, Daniel?
Daniel, that's you.
You're flying your drone, Daniel!
I got you guys.
Daniel, that was a pretty good prank, man.
You should have seen the looks on your faces.
You're so original, Daniel.
Thanks.
You used that same prank when we were doing the Harry Potter challenges for PZ Fool.
Well, still, you guys are not that bright. You fell for it again.
Maybe you will win that Xbox Series X. Did I tell you about the prize?
What is it?
It's a free Xbox Series X. I won one.
Not interested. I'm a PlayStation person. PS5 coming out soon.
Oh, you should have seen your faces. I actually filmed the whole thing on my drone.
Let me see.
Everybody gather around. Look at me.
Whoa, whoa. What
What the heck? Something just appeared on my phone. Look, it says like 1B. None of you guys sent this?
Daniel, are you pranking us?
Yeah.
It's a dumb scare. It's not even scary.
Wait a second, Regina, you found something.
Yeah. I found a note too. It said the S1. Are you guys doing this?
Are you guys teaming up on us and pranking us?
Yeah, is this one of your hacker pranks?
No.
Let me see this. There's a straight edge and there's like a crooked edge. Maybe there's more to this.
I think this is something not human.
I couldn't hear you back here. What?
Something not human. A ghost, a ghoul.
You think ghosts know how to write letters and numbers?
Could this be JB?
This house, I think, is haunted.
Oh, come on. There's no such thing as ghosts. Spy Ninjas, don't forget my video's about to get deleted. We need to come up with some really good pranks to stop them. Let's go.
Hey V, can you help me scare Daniel?
Yeah, I want to get him back for that flying Dementor thing.
Let's set up the prank in his Gizmo lab.
Gizmo lab. Okay, what should we do?
I can finally do my prank. I saw this on TikTok. It requires weenies and M&Ms. It's empty.
Daniel's probably busy setting up another prank or something. Okay, V, I think you should hide in the hammock and then jump scare Daniel when he appears.
He won't even be able to see me.
I'll call him over once you're set up.
Man, Daniel and his dumb drone, I can't let him win this Xbox Series X right here.
Baby shark, 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 shark.
Here, somebody wants to dance. Baby shark.
Get rid of this.
Baby demon. What?
Haunted.
Hey, you want to win this Xbox Series X?
Ooh, yeah. The Xbox, I could use it as a gift for H when he comes back.
Okay, now I really can't let you win it. Okay,
What?
fine. What challenge you got in mind here?
Okay. If you can get more M&Ms in your mouth than me, you win. The challenging part is you have to do it with your eyes closed.
Okay.
And your arms straight.
Okay.
Just like this.
All right, show me. Are you gonna make a mess?
No, I'm gonna catch them all in my mouth.
I doubt it. Okay, let's see.
Da-na-na. Here we go.
Regina, you got all over the floor!
In my hut.
How many are in your mouth? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pathetic! Regina only got 5! I'll at least get 6, probably 20. Here, you hold the camera. I love M&M minis. All right, easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Here we go. 1, 2, 3.
That's pretty
This is
nifty.
nice. All right, I can take naps in here. All right, go get Daniel then.
Okay, I'll get him.
Hurry.
Yeah, I'll get him soon.
Hello.
Here comes Man Spider! You've been trapped in my web, V! There you go! Trapped in my web! I'm gonna eat you for dinner!
Oh, what the heck is that? Oh, it's a wiener! Regina!
Let me go.
I'm gonna eat you good! I'm gonna eat you! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa!
Daniel.
I didn't turn the light off, that wasn't me.
Shut up!
I didn't do that. I didn't do the lights turning off.
What about the hammock prank? Who did that?
That was me.
This is weird. I've never seen these in real life before.
Are these JB's dentures?
Gross! There's a note. Another one of these mysterious things. Tor or oh, toe.
Oh. What kind of language is that?
Like toe?
Yeah.
Do you think we ought to tell the others?
It's a hot dog. Ah, it's a prank. You got pranked.
You don't get the Xbox. I got a big hot dog imprint on the lens.
I'm gonna win the Xbox Series X. I'm getting out of here. Bye, V.
Oh, Regina, that's so sweet of you to clean up your mess of M&Ms. Wait a second, I got a great prank that I can use this for.
Yes, what the hell?
Can you get me a bowl or something?
A bowl?
A bowl. Now we take these M&Ms, dump them into the bowl. That's nasty.
Ew.
Ew.
What kind of prank is this?
We'll get some of the garbage out of there. Don't worry, I'm not gonna let anybody eat M&Ms that went on the floor. That's just nasty, but it's gonna be a super funny prank. Oh, go ask V. Hey V, can you go get me some M&Ms out of the bowl?
Sure.
On the bottom of this bowl, I've got some tape, and I don't know if you can see it, some fishing line right here. She's gonna think it's a ghost.
All right, I need to get V. Oh, there she is. Hi.
Hi, baby shark.
How's the pranks going?
Dude, going well. It's actually making me quite hungry, shark. Do you think you can get me some M&Ms? V?
You are talking weird. I don't trust this.
I'm just hungry, V, please. My stomach.
Okay, fine. Did you even look for M&Ms? You're just like Chad. Don't even look around for anything.
Hey. I'm not like Chad. I just want some M&Ms. I'm hungry.
Okay, where are they?
They're in this bowl. Can you put them on the plate?
Oh my god! This JB, this house is haunted, Regina!
Joseph, babe!
Oh my gosh!
Oh no!
Oh my god!
It's so cold!
Oh my gosh, is he trying to spell something out with the M&Ms?
It's so cold!
He's still moving! He's still moving! Chad!
Oh man, I pranked myself.
You are doing this? Are you possessed by JB?
It's a string V, a fishing line. Ha! Pranked you.
Oh!
Hey, Regina helped me, so don't blame me.
You guys pranked me?
It was her idea.
What the heck?
Chad!
Regina!
It was Chad's idea.
Okay, it was my idea.
What the heck, you guys?
Did you think it was JB? Joseph Banks? Melvin, what are you doing?
Looking at your little list here.
Little, it's pretty big.
Well, it's looking a little short to me.
Short, what do you mean?
These are all the hackers that you believe are part of all these things?
Yes, we've got our Project Zorgo divisions here. What we need to do is we need to defeat the media division, and the hacking division, and the fighting division, and the gaming division to defeat Project Zorgo.
Before we do that, we gotta figure out who's the boss. The boss of the hacking division is PZ2.
Well, I used to be the boss of the fighting division.
Well, who's the new boss?
You don't know.
I don't know.
But there's definitely more hackers in all of these divisions. There's hundreds, if not thousands of them already.
What about the media division? I think the PZ director is the boss. What do you guys think?
Oh, for sure.
Yeah.
The way he slaps that thing around.
Oh, yeah.
You've met him before?
Back when I was doing Project Zorgo videos, he was the one that was telling me what to do.
Did he ever hit you with his magazine?
Anyway, Spy Ninjas, who do you think is the leader of the fighting division? Comment down below. We need your help.
Who's this dude? Who's Yes Sensei?
He's the guy who I was fighting, and he was like, I cannot disappoint my sensei.
I will not disappoint my sensei.
That guy.
He's probably not the boss, because Sensei is a boss.
In gaming? This one's obvious.
What?
It's PZ Squire.
He said, only kids 18 and up can be bosses.
The Spy Ninjas here are gonna help us figure out who the bosses of each of these divisions are, and we're gonna be pranking each other so we can stop my video from getting deleted. Let's go!
Ahoy, Spy Ninjas! I got a challenge. Why don't we do something that's more pirate-based? I'll just toss these balloons to ya, and you pop them.
Oh.
That's good. I'm done being scared. Need a little break.
Alrighty, matey, Chaddy. I'm just gonna toss the balloon to ya, and just pop it. Arr!
The sun!
Oh.
I got it! I got it! I got it! Yes!
You can beat that, V.
Oh yeah, I can do it in 2 tries.
Alrighty, V Wazowski. 3, 2, 1. I just got it.
2 tries, like I said.
V beat me. You guys are making this challenge boring. You gotta have a little pizzazz on the first go. Bam!
You show us, Man Spider.
Man Spider's gonna show you how it's done.
Spider Boy.
I messed up.
Guys, make sure to like this video or a spider will fly in your mouth.
Guys, I'm so close to getting 10 million subscribers.
Oh.
Our whole goal should be getting 10 million subscribers by the end of the year. I'm so close, you guys. Yeah! Make sure to take your phone, turn it this way, and if that red button is not gray, make sure to make it gray because gray is the way.
And one of my videos is gonna get deleted by Project Zorgo. Yeah.
Oh no.
Who said yeah?
Sorry, we were in a celebrating mood.
Captain Chips Ahoy, how's it going there?
I got me a special cannonball.
That's a water balloon.
Yeah, of course I wouldn't issue such a boring prank if there wasn't some kind of payoff.
This is gonna scare the juju berries out of him. What are you doing?
Let's do it.
What?
Let's do this thing.
Are you sure?
First try.
Ready to set sail, Capitan? 3, 2, 1.
Spider Boy!
Arr, he took the plunge, matey.
Looks like somebody walks with a plank.
How come everybody else had air? I had
water?
It's just a freak accident. I don't know how that happened.
What's spider? Hee hee.
Was there like 24 gallons of water in that balloon?
At least you stabbed it in one try.
Wow! You win!
I did say only one try. Where's that Xbox Series X?
Here you go, Daniel. You win. It actually is not a winner. It's just for fun.
Try and top that one, Spy Ninjas.
That means we gotta come up with the best prank yet. Some of these pranks, maybe they'll work, but I think there's a better one. Let's go find out. Pranks!
Whose prank is this? It's stupid.
I didn't set this up. I was outside. What'd you find?
Another note. Daniel, get out your phone right now.
Wait a minute, this, guys, on the other side, that's the same note.
Far less doo-doo stain.
Wait, there's like numbers on them. Look, there's 1,
I got a 1 as well.
3, 0. You guys. Whoa! Where?
What?
So,
Beware of the stove. What do the numbers do?
the numbers, okay?
It's like a 10. It's 13.
Wait, beware of the stove. 10, 13. That must be the time. We gotta open the stove.
Oh no, it might explode.
What's gonna happen?
There's no clock on here. It must be the oven because it has a clock on it.
You hear that?
Whoa! It's 10, 12 on the oven.
Something's rattling in there. We better back the heck up.
Yeah, don't get close.
Something's gonna happen in 1 minute.
Back up, back up, back up.
Why don't you open it first?
Should we try to stop it from exploding?
Daniel, this is one of your pranks.
I promise it's not one of my pranks.
Oh my gosh, it's gonna turn any second!
Hit the deck.
Right when it turns 10, 13, I'm opening it.
There's a weird noise coming from in there.
3, 2, 1, go.
Joseph Banks is up to something bad. He's using my dog Douglas to scare us. The scientist is evil. Remember that?
This was the scariest prank all day. Maybe Joseph Banks is helping us to use this to scare the hackers.
Yes, it was the best prank all day. If we use this prank on the hackers, they'll quit and my video will be saved. Congratulations, Joseph Banks. You win the free Xbox. Come on out, because you're still alive. I know you are. You're not a ghost.
Well, guys, the Halloween party is tomorrow. We should just use everything that we learned today. We can use all these scare pranks on the hackers tomorrow at the Halloween party.
And save my video!
Yeah! You guys ready? Let's do a scare kick bomb